Hello children, we are learning Kalburgi division now. In that, today we are learning about the cultural heritage. Already I said that in literacy rate, this division is poor. Rainfall is less, agriculture productivity is also less, but it is rich in the culture. Many folk dances you take. Other things are very rich in this division. I am taking that one children today. See, in this division, many kingdoms, dynasties were there. That also already I explained. That is Rashtrakutas. They made Maniketa their capital city. It is in the Kalburgi division. Then Bidar was capital city of Bahmani kings. Then Vijaypura was the capital city of Hampi was the capital city of the Vijayanagar kings. Chalukyas of Kalyana, that is capital city of Kalyana was the capital city of Kalyana Chalukyas. Like this, it is a capital city of number of kingdoms. They encourage the art and literature. Because of that one, many tourist places are there in the Kalburgi division. For example, Bidar, Hampi, Kalburgi, Basava Kalyana. These are the tourist places in the Kalburgi division. And in the Kalburgi division, artists are more are there. So cottage industries are there, children. For example, Bidri art of Bidar. What is Bidri art? I explained that one, children. From the Bidar they are making the decorative things. That one, and Kinnad toys, wooden toys they are making, and they are decorating with the different types of fabrics. That one, and Koppal is famous for the blankets. This is art of the Kalburgi division. Next comes to the freedom fighters. Freedom fighters, see children, in the beginning I said, this Kalburgi division, part of Kalburgi division went under the control of Nizam. So they were included in India 1 year late. Nizam was not ready to include his programs to the Indian government. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel taken the Indian army, surrounded the Hyderabad city, then it is included in the Indian government. I explained that one. So that time, before that time only, Nizam means Hindi and Urdu language was there, children. But local people were Kannada speaking. In that time only, many Kannada schools were established in the Kalburgi division. That school names, they are given in the textbook, children. I will read out that one. Nutana Vidyalaya, it is in Kalburgi. It is established in the year 1907, before independence of this one. Then Usmania National School, that one, it is in Chinchodi. Next, Vidyananda Gokula, that is in Kukluru. It is established in the year 1922. Next, Hamdard National School, that is in Raichur. That is established in the year 1922. Then, afterwards, this people started the struggle to include their programs, their area to the Indian government. For that, two important leaders were there. That is Sri Ramananda Tirtha and Sardar Sarnar Gowda Inamdar. These are the two leaders. Sri Ramananda Tirtha and Sardar Sharan Gowda Inamdar. Two leaders, under their leadership, the struggle started in the Hyderabad, Karnataka we used to call, to include it in the Indian government jurisdiction. So it got the liberation in the year 1948, 17 September. That time they got the freedom. When the Indian struggle started now, that time Nizam was not ready to fight for the freedom. He wanted his kingdom only. After that, people started this struggle to include them in the Indian government. For our children, yes, this is about the freedom fighters. Then how other divisions are having the uniqueness of their district, no? Same thing, this division is also having the speciality of their districts. That one we will learn now one by one. Okay. Yes. First district is Kalburgi district only. Many specialties are there in the Kalburgi district. That one. See children, first it is ruled by the Bahmani and Bahmani kings. Because of that one, Islam architecture and Islam influence is more in the Kalburgi division. Specialties are longest cannon is there children. Longest cannon. Cannon means top. That pipe is very long one. That one is there in the. It is the longest cannon in India children. That one is there in Kalburgi, and that cannon name is Bara Ghazi Top. Bara Ghazi Top. It is not there in the text children. Its name. That longest cannon Top is there. That name is Bara Ghazi Top, and it is 27 feet long. 27 feet long it is. Yes. Then Bande Nawaz Dargah is there. That is also famous. Then Sharana Basaveshwara temple is there. This Bande Nawaz Dargah every year goods will be there. Many Hyderabad business people will come and put the stall there. And nearly 15 days it will be children, and very famous one it is. Then Sharana Basaveshwara temple, very old temple. Jatra and all will be very grand manner is there in that. Then Siddhartha Buddha Vihara is there. Both the temple is also is there. Buddhist temple. Siddhartha Buddha Vihara it is called. That also is there. Then Dattatreya Center is there in Gandapura. All these are the religious as well as the tourist places. Very attractive in the Kalburgi division. Then in Bannati children, one pillar is there. Kamba is there. Bannati Kamba only it is called. It is 52 feet high. 52 feet high. What is the specialty of this pillar is means it is not touch the ground. Anyone can pass the very thin cloth under the pillar. Understood? It is not fixed to the ground. That is the specialty of the Bannati Kamba. It is in the place of Bannati only. So the pillar name is also by the place name only. Then Mathura, birthplace of Vigneshwara is there. He wrote the book Hindu Samhita. He wrote about the Hindu law. Hindu Samhita it is Vigneshwara, his birthplace Mathura. It is in the Kalburgi district. Then many cement factories are there in the Kalburgi division. This is all about the Kalburgi. Sharana Basaveshwara temple, Bande Nawaz Dargah, Buddha Vihara, and Dattatreya Center is there. Then Bannati Kamba. Then this canal. These are the tourist place as well as attractive place in the Kalburgi division. Next comes to the Yadgiri district. Yadgiri district. It is the smallest district with the 3 taluks. Only 3 taluks are there. That is Yadgiri, Surpura and Sadalpur. These are the taluks. See children, uranium is available. Uranium means it is a mineral children. It is like a fuel they are using. This uranium, that one is available here. To produce the electricity, they are using this one, and for the military purpose also they are using the uranium. Then in Yadgiri, one mountain is there children. That mountain, how it looks means as if Buddha is sleeping. Sleeping Buddha, you can say that mountain. How it is? See children, have you seen the Buddha statue? Buddha means long hair will be there, and he knotted his hairs on the top. If he is sleeping, how it looks? Same thing it looks, that mountain. Yes. Next, what factories are there in the Yadgiri means sugar factories there, electricity factories there, as uranium is available, that factory is also there, and organic manure factories there. Then industrial chemicals industries are there. These are the few factories you can find in the Yadgiri district. Followed children, only industries and tourist places are given here in the specialities of the districts. Next comes Bidar district. Yes, Bidar district is also a very important one in the Kalburgi region, children, as it is the capital city of the Bahmani Sultans. Number of architectures you can see in the Bidar. Muhammad Gawan Madrasa is there, library it is, 3-story building is there, and Mahal is there. Okay, yes, it is ruled by the Bahmani kings. Basava Kalyana is coming under the Bidar district only. Basava Kalyana, that is a Basavana's working center place it is. Basava Kalyana. Then Sikh Guru Nanak once he visited the Bidar. So Sikh temple is also there in the Bidar. That is Guru Nanak Jira it is called. Guru Nanak Jira. Sikh temple it is. Then Narsimha journey is there. Narsimha temple is there. Journey means small water body is there. So Narsimha journey it is in the mountain place children. If you are really visiting all this means you enjoy the places. Narsimha journey it is called, and many masjids are there. Flower garden is there. Then Rangin Mahal, just as I know Rangin Mahal, that in the Bahmani Sultan's time, the dancers used to dance there. Very big stage is there in front of very big open place is there. That is Rangin Mahal it is called. That also you can see. And Muhammad Gawana Madrasa. Some are there half built here. Half means it is broken one. Many walls and all are there no. Because of that one, some are not intact, they are broken. This district has small forest because rainfall is very less. Sporadic, I used to say no. Such type of forest you can find here, and some is reserved forest. In that, some is reserved by the forest department. Followed children, Bidar fort is also there. In the Bidar only you can see number of architecture which are built by the Bahmani kings. Bidar fort is very beautiful one. Entrance of the Bidar it is. Okay children? Yes. Yes. Next one is Raichur district children. Raichur district is known as the Doba. Doba means the land between two rivers. Any land is there between two rivers means it is called as the Doba. The two rivers which are there by side of Raichur are, that is Tungabhadra in the southern part and Krishna river in the northern part. So Raichur is between the Krishna and Tungabhadra river. So it is called as the Doba, and it is also called as the granary of paddy. Paddy they are growing in a very huge quantity children. As it is between the two rivers, they are getting the sufficient irrigation facilities. When paddy means it requires more water. As they are getting the irrigation facility from the two rivers, they are growing more paddy. Because of that one, it is called as the granary of paddy. Bhattada Kanija. It is in Kannada. Followed children. Yes. Then cold storage facilities also there. Nearly 5,000 tons we can store. Cold storage we need for the fruits, vegetables, flowers. For that also facilities are there in the Raichur children, and many food products are exported from the Raichur. Food products means we have to keep in the cold storage, no? So they are having the cold storages, many things they are preparing and they are selling them, sending to the other countries, exporting this. Then Raichur is famous for the poultry. Poultry means they are domesticating the number of hens. They are selling the eggs. That is called poultry. So Raichur is famous in the poultry also. Raichur is famous for the thermal plant also. They are producing the thermal. Nearly electricity they are producing 48% children consumed by the Karnataka. Raichur is the main electricity thermal plant is there. In that they are producing the electricity. 48% of the Karnataka electricity. That means half of the electricity of Karnataka is produced in the Raichur only. Then one more important place in the Raichur is Maski. In the Maski children, Ashoka's many inscriptions we found. What things they wrote in the stone of inscriptions. That one we found in the Maski. It is a village in the Raichur district. So Maski is also one of the important place. This is about the Raichur. Next comes Koppal district. Koppal district, it is called Kashi of Jains. Yes. Koppal is called as the Kashi of Jains. It is a holy place or religious place for the Jain people. And Bhimrao, one of the person, he is from the Mundalgi. He participated in the freedom struggle and he died in that only children. So he is one of the important person from the Koppal district. Koppal district is having very good climate for the fruits growing. Tropical climate it is having children. It is more suitable for the fruits. So horticulture is more. Totagarike. That one is more. They are growing the fruits, that is mango, sapota, pomegranate, banana, grapes. These fruits are growing more in the Koppal. Regarding the tourist place means Mahadeva temple is there children. From Chalukya's period it is. Chalukyan architecture it is. Chalukya kings built that one. Mahadeva temple it is. Very beautiful one and big one. It is called Emperor of Temple. Emperor of Temple. Very huge temple is there. Everywhere carving is there. Inside, outside, roof, tower, pillars, everything is carved. Very beautiful to see that one. So they given the name for that temple as the Emperor of Temple. More than king is emperor. So it is called as the Emperor of Temple. That is the one of the speciality of the Koppal district. Then Kinnal wooden toys. Already I said children. Kinnal is famous for the wooden toys. Very beautiful one. Some pictures are there in the textbook. I will show it. Then iron and steel. Iron and steel industries are there. Then yes, children. This is all about the Koppal district. Next one is Ballari district. Ballari district I will take now. Yes, Ballari. How this name came is Ballari. It is one of the goddess name children. How Durgamma and all is there, no? Like that. Ballari is the one of the goddess name. Through that name, the name came Ballari for that district. See children, this district Hampi, you have heard the word no? Hampi, Vijayanagar King's capital city. It is in the Ballari district only. And so regarding the Ballari goddess and Vijayanagar Kings are ruled because of that one. It is in the famous in the history as well as in the mythological stories also. In the Ramayana, Mahabharata also, this place name is there. Then it is earlier. It is in the Madrasa state in the year 1953. Then afterwards it is included to the Mysore state. Followed. Yes, Hampi is famous for many temples like Kumareswara temple, Sanduru Mallikarjuna temple, Urvati Kaleshwara temple. All these one are famous in the Ballari district. In the Hampi also many temples you can see. Vijayanagar Kings what they built, stone chariot, then Vijayanagar temple. Like this many temples you can see. Thermal plant, power plant is also there in the Ballari. Thorangal power plant it is. Then it is growing like an industrial hub. Many industries are growing. So industrial hub it is called. One more government department is there, that is National Mineral Development Corporation. NMDC. NMDC. National Mineral Development Corporation. that one also is there. Then Kannada University is there, children. Kannada University is in Hampi. Purely Kannada, all subjects are in Kannada medium. So Kannada University is called, it is in Hampi. Then Vijayanagara Krishna Devaraya University is also there. 2 universities are there in the Ballari district. This is all about the Ballari district. Yes, Kalburgi division over, children. I will give the homework for today's session. Yes, for today is the homework, children. Where is the longest canal in the Kalburgi region? Where is Guru Nanak Jira? Which district is known as Doba? Which district is known as Granary of Paddy? Which city is known as Kashi of Jains? Which temple is known as Emperor Temple? Where is Kannada University? Yes, this is about the Kalburgi division, children. In the next class, I will take the Belagavi division. Okay, children? Yes, thank you.